Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. In this video, we will make butter chicken steak. Materials: 7 to 8 chicken legs, salt, garlic, sugar, thyme, mixed vegetable seasoning, red chili powder and cumin, hot red chili pepper, ground ginger, curry and isot pepper. Optionally a little soy sauce, butter and a little oil. Cast grill pan and cast flat floor pan will be used. Prepare chicken thighs boneless. Cut off excess skin. Cut off the tip. Remove the hip bone. Do not forget to press it with your hand and remove the meaty parts at the end. Remove the 2 pieces of bone in the middle. Prepare the chickens in this way without slapping or crushing them. It is very important that you do not slap them. Add a little sunflower oil and mix. Two-stage cooking will be done. First, the sealing process will be done. The chicken will be half cooked in this process. Heat the grill pan on high heat for 5 minutes. Lightly grease the pan with an iron brush. Add the skinned part of the chickens first. Wait 1 minute. After 1 minute, take the chickens to remove excess oil. Heat the pan and add the chicken again, this time a little more crosswise. The trace of the grill will be on the chickens in the form of plus. Wait 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn the other side of the chickens and wait 1 minute again. Change angles after 1 minute, wait 1 more minute. Remove the chickens after a total of 4 minutes of cooking sealing. Slice chickens thicker than fingers. You see how juicy the chicken slices are. The second cooking process will be done in a flat iron pan. Add the butter. A small amount of sunflower oil is added so that the butter does not burn, but it is okay if you do not add oil. Prepare the crushed garlic. Mix spices and get ready. After the butter is heated, add the chicken slices and do not mix too much, wait for it to brown and mix it for one turn. Add some of the spice. Add crushed garlic. If you like it too spicy, add more or just add salt for a simpler flavor. See how it looks in yellow light? It's very red. Add some soy sauce. As I said at the beginning, soy sauce and spices, you can change them according to your desire. Yes, you can cook in this pan for a total of 3 minutes, it will be enough. Add the vermicelli rice pilaf to a large plate. Add the chicken to cover the rice. I can say it's a delicious chicken feast that you can make quickly. Add the remaining butter at the bottom of the pan and add a little thyme. Serve before it gets cold. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate, you can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.